What's up, guys? Welcome to the Maintenance Man channel. My name is Neil. Up tonight is something I usually don't do, and like I have stated recently, I'm trying to shy away from things made out of the country or in countries that, whatever. But this I got on a lightning deal for $99. Now it's $119, which I still think is a great deal. So what it is, it's a cordless 14-inch chainsaw made by HYCHIKA. Cordless chainsaw, 40 volt max. So it comes with two, I think, 20 volt 4 amp hour batteries. And let's bust this open and see what we're actually getting here. So it comes with a HYCHIKA charger, and I'm not sure if it's a fast charger, but it says universal on it. And then we got the HYCHIKA 20 volt, 20 volt 4 amp hour batteries with battery light indicators. This is fresh out of the box. Both come with 2 bars. In here, it's just a rolled up piece of chain lube, bar chain lube. Comes with the chain. And here's what I'm getting at is, me personally, I have gas powered chainsaws. I like gas powered chainsaws. This is inexpensive and not everyone can afford, not everyone wants to pay for gas. So this isn't going to be an in-depth review of this product. I will be doing one, but for $119, if you wanted to take that gamble, I at least wanted to throw it out there for you. It does come with a instruction manual, warranty card, 24-month warranty extension for qualified lifetime technical support, 30-day back money guarantee for any reason. So I don't know, I would hold on to the card. Maybe it's something that you got to keep. Alright, so this will be the body and the bar. Comes with a plastic cover there. Now, so how this is going to go is, actually has not too bad feeling of a handle. It's all plastic. Little metal piece right there. Stop and stuff for the chain. That's a big piece of plastic, actually. That's chunky. The batteries are going to slot in right there. So without the batteries, it's weighted pretty good. I like the feel of it. This is supposedly like a power button to give it a little more boost if you're going through something. Here we go. We look at the bar here. So I'm just gonna guess. Actually, look at that. Even comes with the dogs that bite into the actual wood. They're of decent size. I've seen smaller, so that's nice. So very simple inside there. I'm guessing that's gonna go this way. Yep, just like that. So that's how it's gonna go. Low kickback. Let me pull the chain out. I'm going to take the bar back off and throw the chain on. And it should... Alright, so the chain feels like absolute garbage. Not going to lie there. So if you were to order one of these, I'd probably just right off the hop get a 14-inch chain. Maybe like I always go with Oregon, just because that's what I'm used to. And sometimes these chains can be a real pain in the behind to get undone. So give me a second here and let me get this on. Alright, so I got the chain unlooped, a little bit of playing around. You can see up on the bar, it shows you how it's going to go. So the cutter goes that way. That's what's chopping. So you're going to match them up. And so I got to flip this around. Nope, I had it right the first time. It's going this way. So, got it going that way. Got it on there. It's actually, so the bar, I will have to say, it feels good, of good quality. I'm impressed by it so far. I like it. Alright, so okay, so this red knob tensions it, and as you guys know, you want to keep it probably a little more tension than that. So like right about there, I like to, well actually probably a little tighter than that. But either way, tighten the black screw, should tighten this to there, you would think. What does this thing do here? Oh, there we go. Or you can just tension it like that. Just as long as you got some stuff. Maybe this isn't down all the way. That's probably what the dealio is. Alright, so this is lock and unlock. What am I doing wrong? Oh, there we go. I just didn't have that pushed down far enough. I don't think. Here, see if it, yeah, there it grabbed. It's grabbing now. Loosen that a little bit, but, that's good. There we go. Alright, so it's brushless also. So you got the dogs there. Chain is on there. Tighter than I would like, but for demonstration purposes. This should be go. That should be locked. That's usually how they are. Actually, that might be. But we'll test it out. So 40 volt. I just want to show you guys. I'm not sure. I'm going to use it for a while for sure. I think here's the oiler side on the other side right here. Put your bar chain lube in there. You know, I'd use what they give you. That's for sure. And let's throw these batteries on. 1, 2. So we're actually, it's a lot heavier than my 12-inch Tanaka gas chainsaw. There's a lock to pull the trigger here. So I'm guessing back or power. Power on. Okay, so back is lock. Push forward. And what am I doing here? Unless, okay, so the green is for extra power. Red, I believe, is for not extra power. Okay, I'm going to take this off, these batteries off, because obviously I tensioned it too much. That's why you wouldn't get... So take the batteries off, let the tension off, and then tighten back down. At first, I didn't trust this nut here, but it does grab enough of that where that's on there. The bar is solid. I like this bar. You know, I guess you have to use it because of that whole mechanism on it, so that's something to keep in mind. But you know, all right. So here we go. Press on. So it locks it out nice and quick without it. And it has electric brake also. So that's high power, and I believe then, so that's on green, and then when this is on red, I think this is just normal. There's almost, I mean, besides protecting your hands, no purpose for this, but it's heavy. It's a heavy saw. I'm not going to lie, but it's weighted well. Definitely weighted well. You know, I would have no issues cutting with it. But like I said, for a smaller saw, it's heavy. The plus side, you don't have to mess around with gas and stuff. So I'm definitely excited to get into it. It seems like it's, you know, I paid $100 for it. It's on Amazon right now for $119. I'm not pushing anyone to go out and buy it, but if you're looking for a cordless chainsaw, here's a 40 volt 14-inch option, which, you know, the 14-inch was a little more important to me because my Tanaka 12-inch, I can do a lot with it, but the extra 2 inches just gives you a little bit more. And I'm super excited to use this thing, to be honest with you. Out in the wild, brushless, nice bar. I will use the chain on it. I won't change it until I cut with it. But you know, I think it's a sore dick deal, to be honest with you. So there you have it, guys. I just want to throw this little video together just to get it out there. And you know, like I said, I still prefer gas, but I've also never used an electric one, and I didn't want to spend the price of some of the electric ones. And this is a nice option, I think. It's, you know, if you're on the edge of owning one, you could probably buy it, see how you like it. If you don't like it, you know, you could probably sell it right back on the internet for probably what you bought for, if not more, you know. But yeah, the little rubber over molding in the back. Trigger's not too bad. The handle's a nice feel. Like it's solid. It's on there. This is kind of a little rough to use, but it's a big, thick piece of plastic. Just a simple design. 2 batteries here. It's weighted well. So I can't wait to try it out. But I want to get this out there in case the price jumps or it disappears. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching very much. I appreciate you. If you're not subscribed, get subscribed, and I'll catch you all on the next one. Later.